Not your normal video here. Changing up my format a little bit on the videos just because of the demands and times and that, and I really forgot to vlog a lot of this stuff, so wasn't too much content I put together, but for the continuity of things, a quick video to keep up. And as some of y'all could probably guess, yes, I am being lazy. But anyways, it's just a quick little 3-minute video, keep the continuity of the channel, and hope to see y'all for episode 19, going into the mountains and to a nice little temple. So sit back and enjoy. Thank you. Bye-bye.